We're finally able to put a cap on 2020. We're officially in 2021. If you're watching this, you've made it through the year. I'm grateful that you made it through the year. I'm grateful I made it through the year. We can only do as much as we can to make this year a better year. So you gotta tackle it. And that's basically what I wanna talk about in this video. Cause as you see on my channel, I haven't posted in almost 2 months. And I can't even lie, my mental state in that last video was significantly worse than it is now. I was in like a light form of depression, just not having a sense of direction in my life and not knowing what I want to do next. And part of that is because of quarantine, because of just the pandemic as a whole, and also how my circle socially had changed and all that stuff. And then dealing with online school, it was a lot going on that I wasn't trying to put up with. But I can say, thankfully now, I actually have a sense of direction and I feel way better about my next steps. First of all, a lot has changed since that last video. I transferred schools. I transferred a whole university. I'm enrolled at Coastal Carolina now with a music major. I changed my major. I was a computer major. Now I'm a music major, getting back to my music roots. Now I auditioned and everything, sent out the audition, got accepted, thankfully. And I played oboe and tenor sax in high school, but I auditioned on guitar and got in on guitar, so I'm gonna be a guitarist, so that's cool. Now also, I decided I wanted to be an athlete. I was always kind of interested in sports, but I think just subconsciously, I never thought to try out and actually play sports because I had social anxiety and that kind of stuff. I didn't really mess with people. I didn't mess with the attention. I didn't want it. So I'd even put that in my mind to try to audition or try out, whatever. Specifically, I have love for basketball and I have love for like boxing, MMA type stuff. So I'm gonna start conditioning for basketball, getting in basketball shape, starting to play more pickup games, starting to do more real drills and not just going to the court, lollygagging, shooting around. Actually taking it seriously to be a real elite athlete, honestly. And I have a big build. I have a lot of body fat on me that I gotta lose, but that's stuff I have to do with cardio and my diet. I'm 6'3", I'm like 250 right now. I'm pretty agile for my size. I'm strong. So when I condition, I can really be a beast on the court. I can be a beast in the ring. So whatever I'm doing, I feel like I could be good at it. I just have to practice. And the third thing is that I realize I want to be an influencer, specifically on social media, so I can have impact. I know a lot of people like to have followers for the vanity and like to have all these numbers and all this attention. That's not really me. I just want to be able to have an impact on people. I want to be able to share my experiences and my knowledge. I want to be able to entertain y'all. I want to be able to actually share my opinions and build a community where we can communicate and grow and evolve together. Somebody I really look up to, for example, is Dave Chappelle. Something I really like about his delivery is he's just a stand-up comedian. He has like really great storytelling. He's super funny, but he'll always kind of sprinkle in some knowledge for you. And his main goal is to entertain, but then also to inform. So that's what I intend on doing with the social media stuff. I hopped on Twitter. I've had an account for like 3 years, but I didn't use it at all. So I'm gonna try to use Twitter more. I finally hopped on TikTok. I'm gonna start posting on TikTok just to get some more organic reach and get some more people over here. Then Instagram, I'm gonna try to be more serious about that as well. I know YouTube is a whole thing because it takes a lot to be consistent, but I'm trying to build a brand. I'm trying to build an engaging community, basically. Most of the stuff I'm working on, I'm gonna start documenting so I can make content out of it. Hopefully make multiple different streams of content that I can post on various different social media accounts. But I still intend on doing like self-help type stuff. But really, I want to be entertainment. I want to entertain y'all. I want to show you the sides of me that not everybody has seen. I want to show y'all that I actually got jokes. I'm actually funny. I'm actually entertaining. I'm actually engaging. I just want to show y'all that. I want to show y'all that side of me. So I have a sense of direction now because I have all these ambitions that are right in front of my face that I know I want to reach and goals I want to reach. So I'm going to start working towards them and I'm going to take y'all with me. And that brings me to my main point, actually. I just want to give you that little update, but it's really about you watching this video. This stuff that I'm telling you about like being depressed and then finding direction. I want you in 2021 to be able to find your direction, find what ambitions you have and what goals you want to reach deep down and start working towards them. Something I've especially learned because of this whole pandemic and because of quarantine is that if you don't have a sense of direction and a reason to get up in the morning, it's hard to get up in the morning. Like that's not a good feeling to want to just lie in bed, not do anything because you feel like nothing's in store. but you have to have optimism, and you also have to look at life and be like, okay, I'm in this situation right now. What can I do right now to set myself up? Be better in the future. Just because it's 2021 doesn't mean that you should just start working towards your ambitions and goals. Don't be that new year, new me type person. You gotta take initiative today. A good thing to do is write down your ambitions and your goals and what you wanna reach in life, and then actually strategize what you need to do in this moment to set you up for that success in the future. And you just gotta want it. Like, if you're content with how things are going in your life right now, then don't worry about what I'm saying. If you're living a happy life, content life, have people in your circle that you care about and love and can interact with, that's okay. But if you feel stuck, if you feel like you don't have much direction, you feel like the days are going by too fast and you're not really doing anything, you gotta sit down and figure out what you wanna do. I heard this from another content creator I've been watching, but life is basically just a bunch of days. If you improve incrementally each and every day, your life will just improve. You'll have a successful life, and by the end, you'll look back and know that you did what you needed to do to set yourself up to reach those goals that you wanted to reach back in the day. Something that helps as well is having a plan. You can set up a weekly plan. You can also set up a daily plan. Take the initiative to map out what you need to do and need to get done to set yourself up for success, and do it ahead of time. So when the time comes that you need to be doing this stuff, instead of spending all this energy trying to figure out what you should do and when you should do it, how long you should do it, you already have it documented. So you just look at it and you're like, all right, it's time to do this. And then you have to have the discipline to follow through and do it. And I know also for me, setting like a to-do list for each day and doing it the night before and realizing how many things I could do to set myself up for what I believe is success, it actually gives me it actually gives me real excitement to go to sleep, have a nice rest, and wake up in the morning, get out of bed as soon as I open my eyes. And that's a good feeling to have. It's a nice feeling. You don't want to always wake up and be like, I woke up. There's nothing to do. There's no reason to be up. And if you're like that right now, I really want you to reflect and think about where you are in life. Of course, be grateful for what you have, but also have ambition for what you could get. I don't know, that's my 2 cents on it. You can live your life however you want to. This is just my advice. And my Twitter is dead. I have nobody on my Twitter, but I posted something and I pinned it just in case I can look back at the end of the year and have way more people supporting me than I have now. But I said, regardless of what 2021 will bring, I know exactly what I'm bringing to the table. If I don't live to see 2022, I want my loved ones to know they meant the world to me, and that 2021 was the most immersed and intentional year of my life. Now I mean that. I really mean that. This is the first year of my life where I actually known where I wanted to go, what I wanted to reach for myself, not really letting anybody else's opinions dictate what I want for my life. I know what I want and I'm gonna work towards it. And by the end of the year, hopefully if I see the end of the year, I'll see how much I've improved, how much I've grown, and respect the grind. Cause I'm just trying to grind. I love the grind. Every gritty, nasty piece of it, like I love it. And if you love it too, go ahead and join this journey with me. I'm not telling you to subscribe. I'm not telling you to like or anything, but that stuff really helps out the algorithm and really helps me grow as well. Just comment something down below if you're with me. If you feel what I'm saying, if you feel the ambition inside of yourself, I'm here for you. That's what it's all about. I want to build a community of people that can sit back, have some fun, but also know and respect the grind and know how to turn it on when they need to. If that sounds intriguing to you, go ahead and leave a comment. And then also if you subscribe and leave a like on the video, it helps me out a lot and I would appreciate that. I'm gonna try to post as consistently as possible on here. I'll post more content similar to this and then also integrate some entertainment. So I hope you enjoy that as well. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave that comment like I said. Hope you have a good one. Peace.